I have OPPO F9 Pro, and let me show you how to add here the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the settings. Then from the list of settings, let's here find and select fingerprint, face and passcode. Let's choose here fingerprint and let's tap add a fingerprint. Before we add a fingerprint, you need to set up some backup methods. So you can use the passcode or you can use other encryption methods. For example, it could be the pattern code or some alphanumeric passcode. Let me use pattern code. Let's draw the pattern in my case. Let's do it twice just for confirmation. And here you need to adjust your fingerprint. So let's find the sensor. The sensor is located at the back of the device and let's start tapping the sensor. Let's do it a couple of times just to save the whole fingerprint. And that's it. Let's tap continue to adjust the holding position. So let's tap continue and let's start tapping the sensor a few more times. And done. So let's tap continue again. Now you can lock your device by using the power key and you can unlock it by using the pattern, or you can do it by using the passcode, the fingerprint of course. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.